Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet. For that, you're required to have these two applications installed and set up your Sweat wallet. When you launch your Sweatcoin application, you will notice I have my step count on screen. Make sure your application is updated to the latest version. You are going to see the balance at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and when you tap on it, you will be redirected to this page. Now you're going to tap on You Are Walking for Crypto. You will see your value of your steps you take every day will be converted into Sweat and the rest into Sweat coins. This is the step where you integrate your Sweatcoin application to your Sweat wallet. Now you are going to click on Open Sweat Wallet. They are integrated. Once you increase your daily steps, it transfers automatically. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.